Across the state of Karnataka in India, 2 interactive programs are being implemented to improve the quality of public education. Radio for Kannada medium schools and audio interactive programs for Urdu medium schools. The goal is to enhance both teaching and learning experiences in a cost-effective manner.
Last 6 years, I am using this radio in my school, and my children are very good. They are very active, and they are eager to listen to that radio. They will be waiting when the time will come for the radio lesson. In half an hour program, there is a song, there is activity, there is a game, there is drawing.
मुझे रेडियो प्रोग्राम इसलिए अच्छा लगता है कि उसमें अच्छा गाना आता है और उसमें चित्र छापने को बोलते हैं। चित्र छापते हो हम लोग, बाद में गणित पाठ को अच्छा से समझ लेते हैं और सभी कैसे क्या होता है ऐसे बहुत अच्छा से समझ में आता है, इसलिए मुझे रेडियो प्रोग्राम अच्छा लगता है।
The radio program, which costs the government $350,000 to implement, covers more than 5 million students in primary schools across the state. That's less than $1 per child, according to an analysis conducted by the Center for Budget and Policy Studies as part of a study supported by Global Development Network. But are all the students really benefiting from the program? This is what researcher Shubhashan Shabakshi, who spent 2 years collecting data on the schools, has to say.
I saw that some schools needed a lot of help and support because some teachers were not trained to handle a radio class. So there is a lot of attention required. In some particular schools, I found that the routine was not matched with the radio routine. So while the radio program was on for a particular class, the students were having recess. The benefit is simply lost out because the children are out of the class and the radio program is being aired at its fixed time.
And it's not just radio programs that are not being properly implemented. The same is true for audio programs being handed out on CDs to Urdu medium schools.
Sometimes it is not applicable, because of this power cuts and all. And sometimes for arranging these things, it will take a longer time. We have 40 minutes of periods, right? In that we have to arrange everything.
CBPS researcher Shubhashan Shah says the flexibility of the audio program has worked against it. Only teachers who are motivated end up playing it in class. That means the cost of the program is substantially more than $3 per child.
Of late, a lot of quality initiatives have come up in the education sector, and it's very important to test them on the ground whether they are able to achieve the objectives.
Such research findings actually, they are the eye-openers for us also. But it will give us the very good feedbacks, and also how these programs are being received by our stakeholders really. And wherever if it is not being properly received properly, and we can just go for monitoring and supervision also in this particular aspect.
Research shows that greater involvement of block and cluster officials and teacher training would help improve monitoring of implementation and outcomes. Significantly, schools that are already executing the program properly are reaping the benefits.
Nice, no? I think that as a teacher, I can tell you that from the radio today, my teaching became easier, I think, because I use the activities which are used in the radio program. Same activities I use in my class whenever I take other lessons also.
मिस पढ़ाती हैं तो थोड़ा जब नहीं मालूम पड़ता थोड़ा गुस्सा होती हैं। जब मिस पढ़ाती हैं तो ऐसा रहता है। रेडियो क्लास में जब पढ़ती हूँ तो उसमें हंसा-कर अच्छा से पढ़ाते हैं, इसलिए मुझे जल्दी रेडियो का पाठ समझ में आता है। मैं बड़ी होकर टीचर बनना चाहती हूँ।